In this video, we will show how to insert the coil into the metal cover. This is the metal cover. This is the coil. First, we will pass the wires through this hole, and then insert the coil in the metal cover. Once the coil is inserted into the metal cover, we need to tighten this nut with the help of a spanner of size 14 millimeters. By following these steps, you can easily insert the coil into the metal cover. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.